Yo, what's up, everyone? It's Andrew Nakis coming in hot for my computer, and I am super fired up because today I am starting a developer blog. And so, kind of the idea is that I'm having a really fun time, building things in Unity, and I kind of want to share that experience or that process of what I can do and what I'm doing um, for with you guys. Hopefully, this could be like helpful to see how like an indie developer can take like just an idea or a bunch of ideas and ship an actual app. But then I think more importantly, I'm really looking for feedback and kind of ideas that you guys have as the audience with how you want to see this app go. Hopefully, to get this into beta soon to get some direct feedback from people with the right devices. So, I guess let's just jump into it. Kind of the idea is with this dev blog, I'm going to take a macro, big picture view, going over kind of updates and milestones that I hit. And I hit my first milestone about a week ago when I completed kind of an alpha build for the HTC Vive. And so the big concept of this app, which I think I'm going to call VRADCAD, which is virtual reality aided design on top of computer aided design. But kind of the idea is making and 3D modeling things is so fun in VR, and no one's really created a great app that I've been able to see that allows you to add precision and kind of take a more product design standpoint that a lot of CAD apps have. So instead of like painting in VR, which is amazing, I want to be able to like model shapes and design products intuitively in VR because this is way more easy to understand than um, like computer CAD, conventional CAD programs, in my opinion. I don't have that much experience with them, so it's kind of like a very new thing for me. I do have some experience, and like I love 3D printing things that I can make, but I can just make things so much faster in VR. So I'm just going to jump into VR and tell you, kind of show you where I'm at with this project. So again, I'm in motion tracked VR space. I'm in this room. The grid's kind of crappy. Um, and really, this was um, built off of an initial project by a developer that goes by the name of Dennis. I'll link to the original GitHub, and it was titled VR Modeling Starter. And when I found it, I was super excited because it had the ability to create meshes, originally for the Leap motion. But I finished porting it to the Vive and adding some extra features to it. But you kind of just place 4 points down or pen previous points into quads, and you can actually design a mesh. And so I can go in and kind of create a full cube, which is amazing and it's super fun. And I've added a couple features to it, and I'm looking to add a ton more and really shape up the UX stuff. So if you hold down the grip button, you can actually select points and move them around. So if I want to drag a shape around, I can kind of go in and kind of make something super long, make it a rectangle. I can also just hold on one point and drag that individual point around. So I can really kind of create any shape I desire with this. So I can like kind of make a triangle by appending points together and then go and select it, move it around. I can even kind of select everything and then hold the touchpad down and now extrude out an extension of that shape. And then continue making like kind of spline based building of it. Again, there's like a lot of glitches with it. I can select points with the trigger and then actually delete them. Or kind of if points are in the way, I can bring out points, kind of append them together. And so this is like a kind of a super simple way right now to kind of close meshes if they are, if you made a mistake, it's there's some issues right now with selection that I'm going to be working hard to fix, and placing points down when you don't want them there is again a problem. But I mean, overall, this is like a very simple project, and it's super glitchy. And I'm looking over the next couple weeks to like add a lot of precision and UX elements. There we go. That will in turn make this app like that much better. And so if I can select these points, I then add them together, and now I essentially just got rid of that last kind of thing I made as a mistake. So now I have a full triangle mesh. And that's kind of the basis of where I'm at. I can go in a menu, I can turn on snapping if I want to make kind of more precise shapes. And ideally, like I have like a basic point, a measurement from your last point, but I'm going to add a lot more precision and kind of snapping features that people are looking for, as well as like improving all the detail and design of this app. So I can actually export the STL and export a 3D model, and then reset and kind of start again. And so I'm super fired up at the potential of this, and looking for feedback and ideas. I have kind of a list of features that I'm really trying to build, kind of going forward. I'm going to be documenting that as I hit some milestones. But yeah, that's kind of the basis of it. Thanks a lot for watching and listening, and stay tuned for more. I really appreciate it, and please like leave any comments if you have ideas or thoughts of where I should go with this, or what do you want to see in like a VR modeling app, because ultimately, like, Vive is one of the simplest and coolest ways to like really have an impressive kind of early access application, but I'm looking to bring it to mobile, with motion tracking or with controllers, and kind of redefine what a 3D modeling app is, because I think it's really kind of something new and exciting and better, honestly, when it's in virtual reality. So stoked. See you guys in the next video, and thanks a lot. Peace.